Okay, I'm probably gonna get flashlight by the Cheryl Mason, but let's go in and go fucking go. Inviting the two chainsaw killers back to back and trying to get adept on a lot of the killers because getting adept is fun. Is that a pot of weed? Huh. Unintelligent when using chainsaw, you get stunned in a tantrum. Okay, so I fully don't know how to play Cannibal or have ever seen his gameplay of the Cannibal. I've only seen gameplay of the Hillbilly. So this is going to be a fun learning curve that everyone's invited to. Yeah. Oh, that will be out. Yeah, nice. So I've got a hammer and a chainsaw. I don't know how Bubba works, or like, so we can. Okay. Oh, the Princess Lilith's my obsession, is she? Very. Oh, I see them. Hi guys. Hi. Vroom. Yeah, someone's I think over. What the fuck are you doing? Okay, so that makes sense. So when he gets tantrum, he starts swinging like crap. He starts. Madman starts fucking swinging. All right, come on, 11. Let's go take you to a hook. How you doing? I hope you're doing well today. My name's Bobba. There you go. Oh, some of them going upstairs. Oh, they're trying to get their freak on upstairs, are they? Let's go introduce them to why they don't get their freak on upstairs. We have a look around, a quick little sniff. They might have gone into the thing. They could have. Yeah. Oh, I summoned the entity apparently already. Damn! Damn, I summoned that motherfucker quick. But yeah, this is a fun part of the killer where you walk around trying to fucking find where any of the survivors are. They probably are working on the one up there. Possibly. Possibly. Anyway, where they run? They're probably healing her over here, I betcha. Are they? Hi. Hi, Cheryl. Come on, Cheryl. Come here. Come here, Cheryl. Come here, Cheryl. I just want to talk. Thank you, Cheryl. You're very kind. Very kind indeed. Come with me. Come with me. Oh, you're my obsession. Ah, that makes more sense. Thank you. Well, this one sounds like it's going to have work done to it. Let's stop that. Yeah, we don't want that. Ooh. Glyph. Whenever you see a glyph, you gotta be like Anjabanga hungabada hilly banana hungabada. Do some chainsaw revving. Make sure that's. I saw you. Okay, I think she jumped down there. Yeah, she did. My big flowy. Don't mind me. My flowy skirt is just, you know, going all over the joint. We're gonna go over back to there because I betcha they're either healing or something's going on. No, I don't like here. I did see scratch marks over here, so we're gonna also explore here. Ooh, glyph. That's another glyph done. Hi guys. Just, hi guys, how you going? And we're going to damage that because fuck you. Fuck you, Baltimore! Yeah, she's trying to escape, so I'm going to walk away, not to give it any semblance of a chance. They're not being touched at the moment. They're scratch marks, I betcha. They're gonna go... Yeah. Dumb fuck. Yeah, she dropped her medkit. I love that. I love when they drop their medkits. Makes me giggle. Hi Laura, I'm still coming for you. I was just double checking, making sure people weren't touching generators. It's naughty when they touch generators, you know that? You know, very. I don't like it when they touch the generators. Yep, they touched the generator. I don't like that. I don't indeed, Laura. I really don't. Now, go on a hook. Think about what you did. I'm gonna. Well, and they touched multiple generators apparently. Anyway, let's go follow these scratch marks. Ah, I see. Hello. I see you running. Hi. Hi. You wanna play with the chainsaw? There you go, knock it down, I did. That's a short-lived chainsaw run. Yeah, I'm just gonna... Thank you. Come here, Cheryl. Come on. Where you going, Cheryl? Yeah! Yeah, none of your teammates nearby. So we're gonna take you to this side of the map. Come on, come with me. Yeah, hello. Hello, you're getting carried, don't worry. There you go, I'll put you up on that hook. You'll be nice and safe. Ooh, I see two of the bastards down there. They're gonna go work on that gen, I betcha. So if we start revving up this chainsaw. Boom boom. Hi, I see you. Actually, I'm gonna down in the first fight because fuck you guys. I guess we'll go. Hit ya, and then we'll keep chasing. Come on, Sable, come here. Thank you, Sable. You're very kind. You're very kind indeed. I'll even put you on a hook near your friends. Does that sound like a good plan, Sable? I bet it does. Here you go. Ooh, there's a glyph. Find a glyph. Thank you. Okay. Me getting excited over seeing a glyph more than actually rescuing a fucking survivor. I know. Is she gonna try and loot me around here? No, she's gonna run. Hi, I-11, come here. Stop being a bitch and run. That was uncalled for. That was very uncalled for, 11. I know that you're scared. See, I killed my obsession, so now kind of you guys got to be my obsession, you know. Just gonna jump in the house. Thank you. Now, I bet they're healing the Sable since I'm chasing this 11, which is okay. They're allowed to. They can do that. Okay, she's jumped. Will she knock the pallet? I'm gonna destroy that pallet first, just to piss her off a little. Okay, come with me. Oh look, the hook's just regenerated for you. There you go. Enjoy your demise. That's where they are. They're off in the corner. I see you guys. Hi. Hi guys. I see you. I'm gonna come for you. I've got a chainsaw with your guys' name on it. Where? Come here, Laura. I see you. Fucking hell, Laura has legs. Alright, that is Laura. Okay, and then it's just the Sable. I wonder if the Sable will actually attempt to save her friend, or if... I wonder what the Sable was going to try and do. I don't even know where the Sable is. Yeah. No, I'll destroy this. This Sable's working on a gem, which very much well could be. I see those feet. You gonna drop the pallet? No? Ooh, lucky fucker. Ooh, lucky bitch. Okay, now where is this other one? Yeah! I'm a cunt to play against. I am. I really am. No, well, this hook has got multiple people out of this game, so it can get you. Here you go, upsy daisies. Very good. Now, where has she crawled to? Ah, that's the next annoying thing about survivors. Sometimes they like to just crawl. So you gotta kind of walk around and listen for their grunts of pain for a little bit. Come on, where are you? Oh my days, I don't know where this fucker has crawled to. I wish there was kind of like an aura thing. It's like, show me the downed survivor's aura, please. Or I just walk around until I find the hatch. That is also a very possible fact I can do. Oh, hi there. You walked around. You walked around first. Oh! Oh, yeah! That was first game with Cannibal as well. I'm proud of myself. I'm very proud of myself. thank you all for watching. And yeah, I wonder what they lost. That's the big question. What did they lose? Show me what they lost. They lost actually pretty not normal stuff. Okay, well, thank you all. And until next time, bye bye.